So ladies and gentlemen, now I have Dr. Nadeem Sharif. He's a physiotherapist and a social worker. He's not just a normal physiotherapist, he's an amazing physiotherapist who caters to the physio needs of Indian cricket team and also train athletes at an international level. He trains Indian athletes and all the athletes at an international level. So put your hands together and welcome the very talented Dr. Nadeem Sharif. Sir, I request you to talk a few words about KTCC, Karnataka Business Awards, and if there is anything you would like to share with the audience.
Thank you. Good evening, one and all. It's my privilege today to stand in front of you and tell something about my field. First of all, I want to thank KTCC, Mr. Abdul Kashif and his team. It's a very good platform. So from yesterday, I'm a part of this event. I heard so many things. I met so many people, entrepreneurs, producers, directors, and filmmakers. And seriously, it is a wonderful platform here. And what I feel, it's a post-COVID platform, which regenerating the body, both mentally and physically. So just I want to take a valid 2 to 3 minutes of yours, and I want to deliver. Actually, everybody are focused in their life. Everybody wants to come up. Everybody wants to be a first in their race. Do you guys agree for this? Do you guys agree? Everybody want to be a unique, a different, and a first in the race of life. But due to this stress, they are forgetting where they are going. They are not bothering about themselves. In health-wise, they are damaging the musculoskeletal properties due to lack of exercises, fitness. They really doesn't know where they are landing up. No doubt, everybody needs their aim, goal, they have set. But the thing is, without the fitness, without the exercises, they are lack of in their health. So please, I request you guys to be selfish to yourself by concerning of the health. So I have seen so many small-scale industries, entrepreneurs, and big businessmen. I request Mr. Kashif and the team to put a word to their clients or with their all the entrepreneurs who will interact by advising them a quick stretch at workstation. Before starting their work, there should be some physical activity where each and individual employee can be stronger physically and mentally. If they are stronger physically and mentally, 200% their productivity, the quality of their concerned organization will be superb. By saying this, I really thanks once again the KTCC organization, and really I'm enjoying this platform since from yesterday. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Jai Hind.